Eating.
Do kids live here?
What?
Do kids live here?
Can I grab a hold of your
Yeah, they have kids on. Just relax.
Where are they?
Relax.
Oh, I did it. Off from
There you go.
Is that a little bit more comfortable? Oh, God, yeah. Lead me through it. There! Now I'm in tennis shoes. What is with this? Stay right where you're at. Don't you dare move. There, look at that. Oh, yeah, that's a lot more comfortable.
Yeah.
Much more comfortable. Very good, girl. Look at you. That was much easier than getting up there. Oh my God. I don't think my legs should reach up that high anymore. Yeah, look who's up.
Should I leave it?
Yeah, leave it.
Yeah, I'll get it later, honey.
Right over here, okay?
Okay.
That's alright.
Autumn.
Come on.
Look at you. Oh, sure. We'll hook you up. I want to pull. Long way up there, huh?
Exactly.
Well, Bruce said to me, he goes, "Did you
Now
ever-"
can you get out by yourself? Or, what's the rule? What are the rules?
Did she ride it off?
She used to ride there.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
Been on the stair.